Good morning. My name is Chef Luigi. Today we'll be making a fabulous Italian dish. Mamma mia. And I see here, today we are going to make a bruschetta. Very good. Yes, bruschetta. Yes, very good. We need three things to make this bruschetta. We need the bread, the tomato, and the basil. Oh. But today Chef Luigi does not have any bread, so today we are going to improvise. So here, instead of bread, we have some kashi. Oh, very good, very good. Next ingredient we need is the tomato. Yes, Luigi has some tomatoes right here. Now we have the tomatoes. The basil. Oh, this came straight from mommy's garden. Oh, very good, fresh. Oh, let's take a leaf. Oh, mamma mia, it's so good. Now, well, let us open up the kashi. There we go, all are done. Now let us put on the tomato. Last but not least, the basil. That nice taste. Well, there's only one thing to do left now. Let's go. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Oh, it tastes so bad. Whoa. Dude, like right after I ate it, I got a nosebleed. Don't try this at home. Just don't do it, guys. Just don't.